Hello everyone. We have a very special guest with us, Lalitesh Bindal, and our coach Jaina Reshamwala. So I was informed by Jaina that Lalitesh Bindal, she has digestive problems, depression, gastritis, body pain, pigmentation, low energy and lethargic body, and few others. And she started the naturopathy treatment. So let's ask her directly what improvement she has received. So Lalitesh, I'll come to you, and then Jaina, I'll come to you. So Lalitesh, if you can please unmute yourself. So thank you very much for coming in the Hall of Fame interview, Lalitesh. So how has been your experience in the Gold membership? The entire tribe would love to know how has been your journey with Jaina and Go Nature.
Hello everyone.
Hi.
I'm Lalitesh and I'm from Rajasthan, Jodhpur, Sun City. Firstly, I would like to thank you, Vishalji, you and Go Nature team to giving me the opportunity to come in Hall of Fame and speak something about Go Nature and all my journey. Firstly, I would like to say कि मेरी जर्नी जो थी बहुत ही अमेजिंग और वंडरफुल थी, माइंड ब्लोइंग. सबसे पहले मैंने आपका फ्री वेबिनार अटेंड किया था. इट वाज एन अमेजिंग एंड वंडरफul webinar. Then I took this silver membership and high workshop. Then I attended and it came to know me that it is amazing and wonderful and an eye opener. So that I decided to enroll in myself in a personal consultation. And then my coach was assigned, and Jenna ma'am, and she's very supportive and helpful. Then we met day one. She makes me comfortable so that I can tell her everything about myself and about my depression and all my diseases, all the problems. She makes me very comfortable. Whenever I needed her, she is approachable. She helps me and guided me to do all the things very nicely, comfortably. और जब भी मुझे ज़रूरत होती है, छोटी से छोटी चीज़ों के लिए भी, छोटे छोटे क्वेश्चंस के लिए भी, she always available. And she took me out very comfortably and easily. Even I didn't came to know what is going on. Means depression जैसी चीज़ से मुझे बहुत आसानी से उन्होंने बाहर निकाल लिया. Because I am facing all the problems as you said and the depression just because of some personal issues. And उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से मुझे गाइड किया, मोटिवेट किया, पुश किया, जिससे मैं बहुत आसानी से नंबर 1 तो डिप्रेशन से रिलीज हो पाई. बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स जो हेल्थ बेनिफिट्स मुझे मिले दैट आर माइंड ब्लोइंग. नंबर 1 इज आई वांट टू से पेन माई रिड्यूसेस, डाइजेशन इंप्रूव हुआ, एनर्जी लेवल्स इंक्रीज हुए मेरे, डिप्रेशन से मैं बाहर आ पाई, और बॉडी एक्टिंग उसमें काफ़ी रिलीफ मिला मुझे. और एक चीज़ मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये सारी चीज़ें बिना मेडिकेशन, बिना सप्लीमेंट्स के मुझे बहुत कुछ रिलीफ मिला. एंड इन जस्ट 3 months और फर्स्ट मंथ में मुझे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट फील हुआ. और जब मेरी फर्स्ट फॉलोअप सेशन था, वैसे जैसे ही उन्होंने मुझे देखा एंड शी सेड मी कि आपकी स्किन ग्लो कर रही है एंड यू आर गेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स. और फिर मुझसे वो सारी चीज़ें पूछी, वन बाय वन मैंने स्टेप वाइज उन्हें बताया व्हाट आई एम एंड हाउ आई एम गेटिंग द रिजल्ट्स.
वाओ, कमाल, अमेजिंग. Congratulations Lalitesh, and people लोग ऐसे ही बीमारियों में रहते हैं, नेचुरोपैथी में बहुत इजीली बाहर आ जाते हैं. Let's come to Coach Jaina. So Jaina, how has been your journey with Lalitesh?
Yes, good evening everyone. Thank you Vishal for giving me this opportunity to serve people, and thank you Lalitesh for such beautiful words. I'm really proud of you that despite your personal challenges, you have taken 100% responsibility of your own life. You have taken charge of your health. And you have made such great progress. It's really inspiring to see your commitment, your hard work towards your health. So there is a message for the entire community that please take 100% responsibility of your own health and invest in your health. If you have good health, you are going to have amazing life ahead, right? So thank you Vishal, thank you Lalitesh, and keep on progressing, keep on putting your efforts, and I'm really proud of you. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Jaina.
Always motivates me. Always.
Amazing. So
and you're amazing. You're a bravo. Let me tell you.
Really nice. So nice to see both of you together, and I can feel that connection, Lalitesh and Jaina. And I think that is what the main thing is: having a connection, following the path, and getting the results. Lalitesh, this is just the beginning. Long way to go. This is just the beginning, and you have to always be healthy now.
And right? Thank you, Vishal, for always guiding us.
Thank you.
You are a blessing to us. Thank you.
I am lucky that I have people like you in my team. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Vishal sir and Jaina ma'am.
Thank you.
More
Thank
power
you so
to
much.
you, dear.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.